Learn more with CBeebies on the BBC iPlayer app. Download it today.
Hello, mini monsters! It's me, Rebecca. Are you ready to have lots of fun and get super arty? I thought so. Today, we're going to make something amazing. We'll use bright colours, clever ideas, and your brilliant imaginations. And guess what? You might already have all the things you need at home. Don't worry, I'm not making alone. My friend Murphy is full of great ideas. Me and Murphy will show you every step. It's super easy to follow along. So grab your grown-up, roll up those sleeves, and get ready to make!
Let's get monster making! Hey!
It's a carton bunny. For this we'll need a clean, empty carton, a lolly stick, some card, and paint. Start by taking the lid off and painting the carton. Paint it any colour you like. I'm going for pink.
Painty, painty, monster painty! Boom, 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 boom.
We need to paint the lolly stick orange. This is going to be the bunny's carrot. While those dry, let's get drawing.
Here you are, Rebecca.
So you're going to need to draw 2 long curvy shapes on pink card. These will be the bunny's ears.
Now let's draw 2 long arms and the bunny's feet.
So the bunny can hop.
Now take the white card and draw 2 circles for the eyes and teeth. Finally, on green card, draw spiky shapes for the carrot leaves. And I've added some detail.
Now for some monster cutting magic.
Ask a grown-up to help you do some careful cutting. Let's stick all these pieces to our dry carton. Glue on the ears, the eyes, teeth, arms and feet.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick.
Glue on the carrot leaves. Then bend the arms and wrap and glue them around the lolly stick. Now draw a line on for the mouth. Finally, let's screw the lid back on. 1 carton bunny.
Woohoo! My monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Let's get monster making! Hey!
It's a Yoghurt Pot Bee. For this we'll need a clean yoghurt pot, 2 cupcake cases, 1 pipe cleaner, stickers for eyes and paint. For the bee's body, paint on yellow and black stripes just like a bumblebee.
Painty, painty, monster painty!
When you've finished painting the stripes, leave it to dry. Then we can make it a happy, buzzy bee by drawing on a smile. These cupcake cases are going to be the bee's wings. Fold them in half like this. Let's stick our cupcake wings to the side of the yogurt pot like this.
Buzzy, 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 monster flappy!
Next, take a pipe cleaner and bend it in half. Use your fingers to give the ends a curl. Now let's stick it onto our bee.
Oh, they make monster-tastic bee antennae, Rebecca.
We also need some stickers to make 2 beady eyes for our busy, buzzy bee. And if you don't have stickers, you can draw on eyes instead. There, 1 Yoghurt Pot Bee.
My monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Let's get monster making! Hey!
It's a sea turtle bowl. For this we'll need a paper bowl, a piece of coloured card, some scraps of tissue paper, PVA glue, stickers for eyes, and paint. Let's start by painting the paper bowl green.
You got it! Painty, painty, monster painty! Boom, 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 boom.
Leave that to dry while we draw the turtle's flippers and head on coloured card. A spoon-shaped head and 4 tall arches for flippers.
Don't forget the tail.
Oh, well remembered. Draw on some details and cut them out.
Here comes some monster magic.
Ask a grown-up to help you with scissors at home. Cover the bowl with PVA glue and decorate the shell with pieces of tissue paper. We could use a scrap of green tissue paper to give our turtle some food. Now let's stick everything to the shell bowl. Turn it over and on go the flippers.
The head.
And don't forget the wiggly wiggly tail.
Of course! Finally, add some sticker eyes. 1 sea turtle bowl, all finished.
My monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Let's get monster making! Hey!
It's a peg giraffe. For this we'll need clothes pegs, orange card, scraps of brown card, a paper straw and some stickers.
Hey, 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 hey!
First, let's draw the giraffe. Start with a head, like this. Down the neck.
A long giraffe neck.
And a big round body. Carefully cut this out. If you don't have monster magic, ask a grown-up to help you. Make the mane and tail by snipping into brown scraps of card. Make sure you don't cut all the way through though. This smaller piece can be for the tail. Snip it like this. Now glue the mane to the neck.
Ooh, sticky, sticky, sticky! Yay!
And the tail can go here. Take the paper straw and snip it into 2 small pieces. Stick them on the head to be the ossicones. These are the little bumps or horns that giraffes have. Let's use stickers for eyes. We can make the giraffe spotty pattern with more stickers. Let's reuse some old pegs for the giraffe's legs. 1 peg giraffe, all finished.
My monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Let's get monster making! Hey!
It's a bottle penguin. For this we'll need some black and orange card, an empty bottle, cotton wool balls, a cupcake case and some stickers.
Hey, 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 hey!
Start with cotton wool balls and a clean, empty bottle. Add the balls inside of the bottle until it's full.
This penguin is going to have a fluffy tummy! Woohoo!
Pop the lid back on and make the penguin's wings, feet, beak and eyes.
Here you are, Rebecca.
Thanks, Murphy. We'll draw 2 wing shapes like this.
Hey, 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 hey!
Next, draw around something round for the eyes. Then draw a beak and 2 feet on orange card. We're using monster magic to carefully cut everything out.
Yeah, monster cutting.
Remember, always ask a grown-up for help when using scissors. Next, let's get sticking. Stick on the wings, eyes, feet and beak.
And add sticker details for the pupils.
Almost done. Stick on a cupcake case for a hat and a cotton wool ball for a bobble on top. 1 bottle penguin, all finished.
My monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Let's get monster making! Hey!
It's a cute card tube dog. For For this we'll need a card tube, coloured tissue paper, black card, paper, some pom-poms, stickers and PVA glue.
Hey, 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 hey!
Start by painting on the PVA glue to the card tube and then covering it with pieces of tissue paper.
Whoa! This is awesome! Awesome!
Now while the card tube dries, take some card and draw 2 ears.
And the tail.
Carefully cut everything out with scissors. Ask a grown-up to help you.
Or, if you're a monster like me, you can use your monster magic.
Glue the ears to one end of the card tube and the tail to the other. Now to make the dog's head. Take a circle of paper with a cut from the edge to the middle. And then twist it into a cone shape and secure it with some sticky tape.
Monster Twisty!
And then stick this inside the tube near the ears. Next, let's glue on 4 pom-poms for the dog's legs. Now everyone knows we need to give this dog a nose. Glue that to the end of the cone.
And now it's time for the eyes.
We're using stickers, but you can use paper circles or draw them on. One colourful tube dog all done.
My monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific.
If you want to see more fun monster makes, ask your grown-up to subscribe to the CBeebies YouTube channel so you don't miss a single one.